welcome back to my channel Aesthetics with me. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to run a successful fan page. And before I get started, I just want to say thank you so much for 800 subscribers. So the first thing you want to do is you want to create an account. And by successful, I mean something like this. So first you want to create an account. Here is my account, and the first thing is username. So here's my username, Totes Charles. But I know some people have username like char_queen101, stuff like this. They are not taken, but they're not cool. Like, if you like them, by all means, just do it. But not many people, if you want to be successful, I try to have I don't know how to say this, a good username, I guess. Okay, see, with fan pages, if you have a username with like a bunch of underscores, dots, numbers, they aren't really good fan pages. Because I don't know, people just assume that they're they're probably 9-year-olds that have weird usernames. So if you want to be successful, have a cool username, you know what I mean? So next to your name, with your name, there's not really much you can do. If you don't want to if you don't want to tell your real name, you can just put your idol's name. But I'm fine with telling my real name. So, and then 0.0. I always put my follower amount there. And bio, what I usually do is for all my, nope, not there. I think it's over here. So for all my bios, here is my bio format type of thingy, you know what I mean? So this is what I use for most of my bios. So, okay, now we're gonna fix this up a little because it's not a Sunray, we're a Dunkin'. Right, we're a Dunkin', yes. Dunkin' feed. Or actually, yeah, we'll just be a Dunkin'. And you can just do you can just adjust it to your liking. So 11 dot, what's the date? 7/20. Okay. I'm debating on either if I should be a Sunkin or a Dunkin'. But I think I'll just stick to a Dunkin' for now. Char is Bay. Okay, sure. Let's just go with that. Next is profile picture. Profile picture isn't really you could just honestly do anything, but for now, I suggest you have a aesthetic type of profile picture. So, I guess I will show you what to do. I don't know. So what I just do is I just go on Safari and I search up white dog images, because I don't know. Like this one, it's very cute. You could do any color. I don't know why I'm doing a white dog. You could do a black dog. You could do a brown dog. You could even do you could just do any dog. I don't know why. Ooh, this is super cute. You could just search up cute dog images. See, when I say white dog, black dog, brown dog, it just doesn't sound right to me. So we're not going to say that. You could do different colors of dogs. You could do this dog is super cute, this dog. Just a dog or animal image, okay? Let's just go with that. So the first thing I do is I go into color tone. And I import the photo. And I put the filter. I have no clue how to pronounce this, but it's Kogi or something like that. There's a lot of dogs. You can pick just any. You can even pick a cat. You can pick a hamster. You can pick anything. Oh, sorry, not here. So then you go into ultralight, and what you click on what I do is I go into edit. And this triangle thingy-majiggy, clarity, this down, this more so up here, more so down there. Okay, sure. Okay, and then you go on to Fonto or whichever app you would like, and this is to add your watermark, because some people out there like to steal, you know, like to steal usernames. I mean, not usernames. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, like to steal profile pictures. So when you have your watermark and they steal it, you can be like, that is my profile picture. I made that. So do not dare to steal it because I made that. So yeah, just don't. Oh, see, it's so cute. And it looks, your account will automatically start looking aesthetic. You know what I mean? Now I can just delete them. I love the filter because it's like super adorable. Next, you want to pick, next I'm going to show you guys how to make your videos like super nice and stuff. So first we're going to follow Charlie. So the first thing you want to do is you want to save a video from Charlie.
Hold up, hold down, all I gotta do is smile, you ain't want me back.
So I go into color tone, as you have seen, and video, okay.
Hold down, all I gotta do is smile, you ain't want me back then.
Whatever it is. See, I have no clue how to pronounce it, I just don't know. Then we go on to ultralight. I'm gonna save this. Or some, okay. I'm so sorry if this is like a long video. This app takes forever to save videos, but it's worth it because it makes it look super cute. Next, you can add the text, and honestly, some people, what they do, oops, okay, yeah, thank you for following me. Oh, okay, and then unfollowing me. No, never mind. No, whatever, okay. Some people, what they do is they literally just use...
Hold down, all I gotta do is smile. Hold down, all I gotta do is smile. You ain't want me back then, but I bet you want me now. Body going crazy, he want me to have his child. Fucking with them hoes, yeah, I heard you get around.
Do you...
Hold down, all I gotta do is smile. You ain't want me back then, but I bet you want me now. Body going crazy, he want me to have his child. Fucking with them hoes, yeah, I heard you get around.
Oh, Nas, bananas.
Hold down, all I gotta do is smile. You ain't want me back then, but I bet you want me now. Body going crazy, he want me to have his child. Fucking with them hoes, yeah, I heard you get around.
Literally, and then you're good to go.
Hold down, all I gotta do is smile. You ain't want me back then.
Fine, but I like to use Vaunt, which if you don't know what Vaunt is, it is a very nice app that literally most fan pages use. So you could just be like, when did you start your TikTok account? And just put a few aesthetic emojis, you know. And there you go. Wow, aesthetic. Aesthetic, aesthetic. Aesthetic, aesthetic. Aesthetic, aesthetic. I don't know what I'm doing. Just ignore my weirdness. Okay, and then you just do that. And this also looks really good. Then obviously watermark, because as I said, people are mean and they like to steal videos. Let me just turn the opacity down. Wow, you have an amazing TikTok video. So now you can post that whenever you want to, whenever your heart desires. But now I'm going to show you guys the growing your account part. So for that, what you want to do is you can go onto my account, which is Avdis, or AVV, or AVDDIS. People don't know how to pronounce it. Wait, Avdis. Okay, yeah, here it is. This is my account. It's Silly Reed, and you're gonna follow it. I mean, if you want to. And look at my following and just follow the fan pages, and most of them will follow you back, and that is how you can grow your account. No, don't follow that person. I mean, if you want to, you can. But just, yeah. Just go on a following spree, and you will see the difference. Okay. And if they don't follow you back, you can just unfollow them if you want to. Or you can just not unfollow them. And you will notice the difference in just follow a bunch of people. Like over here, I got 1,000 followers by following 500 people. I swear to God, no lies. So you can get that too. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a successful fan page if you do decide to make a fan page. But yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing you guys again, or I don't know, talking to you guys or something. So goodbye for now.